everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'll be sharing you Madam Glam's new gel polishes. It's from their new collection which is called 6th Lust collection. That means it's their 6th anniversary, so happy birthday Madam Glam. So this collection comes with 10 different colors and they're all glittery polishes. They're so beautiful. It was so tough for me to choose the colors, and I'm so happy that I picked these 3 colors from that collection, but the other colors are so beautiful. It looks so magical to me. So I will put a link of this collection in the description box for you, so do check it out. And another good thing is that they're giving 40% off of this collection, which will start from July 14th till July 16th. So if you buy these polishes between 14th to 16th July, you'll get 40% off. If not, then you can always use my 30% off coupon code, which I will link on the screen as well as in the description box. So I'm really happy to see these polishes. I mean, the bottle is matte and the lid is golden. It looks so luxurious. I can't tell you, it's such a luxurious bottle. And all of the Madam Glam's bottles are vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free formula, and they all come in 15 ml bottles. So now without any further delay, let's do the swatches.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
So yeah guys, here's the final swatch of the ruby slippers, and it's such a pretty red glitter polish. It's a very deep red with red glitters in them. So yeah, such a pretty color. So here's the swatch of Wham Bam Thank You Glam, and I really love this name. And this one is pink polish with tiny silver glitters in them. So yeah, really lovely. Here's the final swatch of the Crystal Piano. This one is a white polish with silver glitters. Very pretty polish. I've never seen this color before. So yeah guys, these are the pretty colors from Madam Glam's 6th Lust collection. And yeah, I really love these. Like, these are such a perfect glittery polishes. And now I'm gonna create a little birthday design for Madam Glam. So stay tuned for that.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
guys, this is what I have created for Madam Glam's birthday week. The color I've used is Wham Bam and the Crystal Piano, and just wanted to do some little gift wrap design and little hearts. So yeah, I hope you will like this design. So that's all for the video guys, and I hope you really enjoyed watching the swatches and the design of this beautiful collection from Madam Glam. And don't forget to use the new coupon code, which is only valid for July 14th till 16th for this collection. Other days you can use my 30% off coupon code. So everything is mentioned on the screen and as well in the description box, so do check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.